name is Audrey Thompson, but all of my students call me Mrs. T, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Engineer Factory. Our goal is to try to encourage more kids like you to become engineers or other STEM professionals in the future. How do we do that? We do that by giving you access to really fun, hands-on projects. We have one of those really fun projects coming up next, so enjoy and hopefully you learn something. Bye!
For this project, you'll learn to design and build a simple and safe roller coaster that introduces you to the engineering design process by using creativity and construction skills. The marble roller coaster demonstrates structural and mechanical engineering. Materials you'll need: 4 pool noodle halves, 5 marbles, 3 small cups, 1 roll of masking tape. The marble roller coaster is very simple to build, but requires you to use the engineering design process by 1. Ask, what are the problems? 2. Imagine, brainstorm some ideas. 3. Plan, draw a diagram. 4. Create, follow your plan and test it out. And 5. Improve, discuss what could work better and repeat to make those changes. For this demonstration, we created a roller coaster with 1 loop using 2 pool noodles. Find a nice tall point to attach the first pool noodle to. We used the chair on the table, but you can use a wall, a stack of books, or whatever is available. Next, you'll want to attach the second pool noodle. The pool noodle will make up the loop. For your coaster, you can make as many loops as you want with the materials you have. Just make sure everything is nice and connected. You'll put a cup at the end of the pool noodle to catch the marbles. Now it's time to demo. Did your marble fly off the track? Did the marble roll too slow? Did it get stuck at the loop? Did your tape get in the way? This is where you'll see if your planning worked and make any necessary improvements so that it reaches the cup at the end. And that's the marble roller coaster. Be as inventive as you want with your own.
For even more fun projects, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time!